So I started the NPM start, and this is the one which we did last time.
Hmm.
Mm,
We had to make components today.
right. So whatever we are doing right now, most of the things will be repeated in many of the projects.
Okay, good.
Things will be different, but most of things will be same.
Okay.
Okay. So
So it'll be a good practice.
yeah, right, right.
Okay.
So this is my app. I created the navigation part. Then there is a header part. Then I put couple of routings.
Yeah.
I will add more routings uh,
Hmm.
in some time now only. So let's think on it. What we are going to create, which pages we are going to create, which components we are going to create.
Okay. Hmm. Yeah.
So when the user comes to our site, we
Hmm.
need the information of the user, for,
Yeah.
what is his name and all, picture and all details.
Hmm.
So we will be having one login component.
Hmm.
We will allow user to log in through Facebook,
Hmm.
Google login, Twitter
Hmm.
login, and GitHub login
Hmm.
of this. Or user can put email and password, and we can register user and we can log in with that also.
Hmm.
But this process I don't like it, because user has to take a extra step to fill all the forms and details. I like that people should log in with their own already created accounts using these four. So I may not use this kind of thing, but if required, I may add this also.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
I will make it optional.
Hmm.
We are now planning what we are trying to. We will be.
Right. Right.
So this is the login part. Once the user logs in,
Hmm.
so I first step maybe he will create a post.
Hmm.
Create a post, that means he will put the form that which food he wants to donate,
Which food, as in like what kind? How much?
what kind of food, how much
Hmm.
quantity want to do, what is the location. He describe it. He put some images of the food kind of thing. Whatever he wants to do, he can put that.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that it's a create post. He can also see all his posts.
Hmm.
Maybe he has 10 posts. He can see all his. He
Hmm.
can edit them. He can delete them. So this is the action which he can do.
Hmm.
And when other users will go, so they will go on the front page. They can search based on the keyword. Some keyword they will put. Let's say they search for no keyword also, or they will put some keyword Indian food or something like that,
Hmm.
or Chinese food or something. User can search it, and then user can also put a location. So based on the location and the keyword, or user can put only location. But location is important because we need to find the person where he wants donation kind of thing.
Hmm.
He will put a location, and based on the location, he will see all the related advertisement or post which other person have put.
Mhm, mhm.
So if you want some changes in this requirement, you can ask me. But this is what I have thought, and I will be building it based on this requirement. So
Okay.
tomorrow, if you feel that you need to change something or you need to add or delete something, we can do that. So
Okay.
this is
Okay.
which I created it.
Okay.
So once they search it, they will see all the results.
Hmm.
Now, if I save the data in the database, then I have too much flexibility of getting the results, because in the MySQL query we can do a lot of flexibility.
Hmm.
But with Firebase, we have some limitation. We cannot search based on, we cannot show the distance. Yesterday I was showing the distance. We
Hmm.
did our first project that I put San Jose. I was able to see all the
Yeah.
nearest one.
Neighboring cities. Yeah.
So that thing is possible in the Firebase, but it is not the direct SQL query which we do in the MySQL.
Hmm.
So here we have to manipulate something in the Firebase so that we can achieve the same results.
Hmm.
So I will show you that also. So I will be putting the data in the city based. Let's say he wants to see all the food donation in his city.
Hmm.
He can do county based. He will
Hmm.
see all the food donation on his county.
Hmm.
He can put state based. He will see all the food donation on the state in his state.
Hmm.
But in Firebase, we cannot get all the data. Too much data will come. So we have limitation of 500 records, and that is too much. We can see all the almost nearby records from the 500 records. So we can see the 500 records uh, because more than that is difficult in the Firebase.
Hmm.
Okay, but then if we need more flexibility, we can shift to MySQL also in the future.
Okay.
But then we need to build the MySQL API for that.
Okay.
But right
So
now,
this food bank website is just for donating food, or is it also donating food, right? It's just for
right,
donating.
right, is a food donation. The concept is that
It's
you
not for finding food, like if you want to find food, no.
we can make another one for similar to that, but concept of food donation is just you have
You
extra
want to
food
extra food. Hmm.
and you want to donate it.
Okay. Okay.
That's the idea.
Okay. Okay.
And then third will be the country based.
Hmm.
So you can see all the records, but 500 a limit. That is the thing. But anyhow, I will not go to another state and find the food kind of thing. So practically, country based is really not a good kind of thing. State based also not a good because I want food now. So I will be looking these two as a main source kind of thing because
Hmm.
I will be, let's say, it's not in my city, for example, but I can get in nearby cities. So county based is the most appropriate requirement for our use case. These two
Hmm.
will be, practically not. If we do job site, then these two will come more appropriate. But for the current food donation, I see the city and county basis maximum
Hmm.
uh, useful.
Okay.
So this is the result. So they can see the result based on the key and location. They will see all. So if they like something, let's say if someone is donating Indian food, for example, or Chinese food,
Hmm.
right? I don't know what other Chinese foods are there, but let's say food is there. He want to donate. He has made
Hmm.
extra. Some
Hmm.
people want to donate if they have extra, but some people want to donate because they want other
Want
homeless.
to do themselves, yeah.
They want to give benefit to the people, other people. Rather
Right.
than give money, they will think that food donation is much good because you
Right.
are removing the hunger from the country.
Yeah.
So this may be useful mostly in India when many people are homeless, kind of thing. They can
Yeah. Yeah.
give
Even in the US, we have this
yes,
harvest, food harvest, second harvest. Yeah.
right. So Chinese food is there. So let's say so. Uh, what I was saying. Uh, let's see. So if Chinese food is there, let me see what are the idea I was saying.
Oh, you want to know what Chinese food, or you can just put noodles like spaghetti
Yeah,
and all
whatever
noodles.
you do,
Mm.
nearby people will, let's say I like,
Noodles.
yeah,
Yeah.
let's say you put noodles for example, and some person wants that one. Okay,
Hmm.
so we will also put that after 24 hours, the ad will go away because, food will not stay more than 24 hours kind of thing.
Right. Right.
I'll
Right.
put more deadline also, but I was thinking 24 is okay. But
24 is good. Hmm.
we can add 48 or 50, 56, whatever we want.
Yeah,
But
some food are perishable, some food stay longer. Yeah.
right, right. So uh, we can start with 24 and we can change that as a whatever we want
Mm-hmm. Okay.
feature. So let's say if you are donating this and if you see that this food is there, so you will send a message. So we need to build kind of a message interaction between the user.
Send a message where? Posted on website?
No, to the person who is say giving the noodles. So let's
Okay.
say let's say let's say you are making the donation on
Chinese
noodles,
food. Hmm.
and Mr. A wants to buy that, get that noodles, right?
Right.
So he will send you the message that I want it, and
Oh.
chat in
Oh.
one chat kind of
Oh,
thing.
I thought it's the other way around. I post it on the website of Food Bank and people respond accordingly. It's not like that. It's first that I receive the request and then I donate it, is
So
it?
what was your thinking? What was
I
your
was
thinking?
thinking that if I have extra food or if I want to donate, I
Yeah,
first
correct.
broadcast that on the website and then
Right.
people reach out to me.
Right, right. You will broadcast that you
Hmm.
have extra food, but let's say I want it. So what?
Okay, okay.
How will I do that? How will I
Okay,
get it?
okay. Okay.
Either, either I can send email or I can send you one-to-one chat message. Like in Meetup, we have one-to-one that I contact you kind of
Hmm.
thing.
Hmm.
So let's say I will do one-to-one chat with you that I
Hmm.
want that food. If it is
Hmm.
available, then you reply. So chat will be immediately you will see and you will reply to
We
him.
can give two options, right? Chat and also email.
Yes,
Like
we
on
can.
Sulekha, we have
Right.
either you post it and a copy of it also goes on your email. So yeah.
So we can have email, one-to-one chat, phone, SMS we cannot send because it's a paid one. I don't want to pay kind of thing.
Yeah.
But
At
we
least
will,
you can get to see the phone number if I am okay to publish it. Yeah.
right. If you want to publish, you give the phone number and he will contact you in the phone. That
Yeah.
is the option kind of thing. So when you are posting it, we will give the option of what you want to. Uh, if you want to send email, give your email or phone number. But one-to-one chat is open for all because it's our internal system. So we can keep one-to-one chat message for
Mm.
means you can send message through one-to-one, but email and phone will be optional. If the person who is posting has put the email and phone number, then only you can email or phone to him.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the whole project kind of thing.
Mm.
We can build any kind of website. Only this part posting has different. Let's say we are building a rental homes, so this
Mm.
part will be different. The fields will be different, but this all part will be same.
Right.
One-to-one chat will be same. This one will be same. Only this posting part will be the different fields, and search
Mm.
will be different fields kind of thing.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
most in all the projects, all things will be common.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go on building the pages.
Maybe one day, not today, but one day we can just like how we architected this project. Maybe you can just help me architect my admin project so that I at least can start it out.
Yeah, for that you need to send me requirement so that
Okay.
I can understand what you're trying to build.
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so okay, let's go this, and we will be having about page, contact us page. This is additional, just
Hmm.
about page, contact page, terms page, privacy page, uh, team page, who build the project, something like that we can have.
And how to be a donator? Like, how do you sign up for like? I am visiting the website. I opt for donating. How you are visiting the website? How does the website handle that?
Yeah, so how it works,
Hmm.
right? How it works,
Hmm.
or we can have frequently asked questions page.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we will add those ones. So to do that,
Become a member or something like that as well. Yeah.
right. So let's build all the component we have about. Okay, let me, why F1 is there? Okay, I made it F1 because I will be taking it back.
Oh
So
yeah. Yeah.
this
Hmm.
is the about page. I will try to save all with the different component name. This is the login.js. I will be building all the components. I will put the content soon. Let me create all the files based on what I mentioned it here, so it will be easy for me to complete the project early as possible.
Hmm.
There will be post.js,
Hmm.
edit post also. I should be able to edit post also.
Hmm.
delete post also. What else? We have this search will go to the index page or home page or wherever
Hmm.
you. So
Hmm.
let's say it goes to home page, main page.
Homepage is our landing page, right? The front page of
The
our
page
website.
will be there and
Hmm.
results there, so that
Hmm.
whenever person lands, he will be able to see all the recent
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
So I will be having the results will be also on the front page. We don't need it. So
Hmm.
there should be okay. I should have a chat kind of thing. So it's a my internal message page. I will say message. It will be kind of chat or one-to-one messaging.
Hmm.
It will be this one and about contact. Let's see contact. Okay, let's make contact.
Hmm.
Contact. Yes. This I will create later on. These is static pages. I don't want to.
Hmm.
I don't want to work on this right now because
Yeah.
I should be working on functional point of view first.
Yeah. Those
Which
are
is
just one page and yeah.
yeah, we can create anytime these pages.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is? Let's see. Hmm. I was thinking one more page. Yeah, preference page. So when I want preference page also, preference page will be something like that. You will put your location, something favorite location. Let's
Hmm.
say, uh, uh, let's say you put San Jose. So whenever the page will load, it will take your preference, and based on that, it will show all the details.
Hmm.
So we should know the preference page also. What is your favorite location? And if you don't put in the search, we will take that favorite location and we'll use that as a main search location.
Hmm.
This is optional. We can. It's up to us. We can do it or not. But let's have preference because I'll sometimes think that I should be having. I should not put location again my page. Whenever I come to the page, it should be taking from my preference page.
Hmm.
So because if I load the page again and again, I have to put the search part that I don't need.
Right. Right.
I want to do based on my preference. That list location is my favorite, and I want to see all the food near my location.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is all about my thing. We will create more once we see, once we see
Hmm.
more things. So let's try to build. So this is the login page, and let's call the login page here. Login, and let's create a component for login. Login. Let's try to go to login page.
Excuse me.
Let me start it again. Okay, let me go to login page. Okay, I'm on the login page. So let me go to the login component and always start with the dev class name
Hmm.
equal to container.
Yeah.
Or
Bootstrap.
yeah, bootstrap container. So it will shift the login to a little bit here. We have a space in
Oh,
here.
okay. Okay.
This also I will move, but right now I don't want to touch header and footer. I don't know how will be the header and footer. I will be thinking on it later on. What should I put? A default header which should appear on all pages.
But login page should not have this that header, right? Project name, home, about, the one. Yeah.
Login page should not have this one.
Yeah, right. Login page is before this, and then we give in our credentials and then come to the actual page. No.
No, this URL, this navigation should be on all the pages, but we will not allow
Okay.
some pages. Some pages will be
Okay.
as
Okay.
authenticated user, but many pages will be for the public.
Right.
So it's okay.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So login will be, I need to, I need the images for the Facebook and login. So let's say I will say Facebook image icon. I will put some Facebook image icon kind of
Mm-hmm.
thing. Maybe I'll say I need little, not like this. It's my preference, it's for you. When you build, you can build anything,
Mm-hmm.
whatever you like, whatever I feel. I'm just show you what I like. Okay, let's put this one. No, this one also no. I will think on this image. Maybe I'll find, or you also find some image, good looking image that you want. Right now we will put only Facebook kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, its reference equal to Facebook. Just we will make first functionality and then we will find some images, and also let me put each in the different row. So I say div.
I sent you a link on. Just check that link first on chat. Maybe that image you want to take. Oh, I don't know what it. Why is? Yeah. Okay. No problem. I think I just was trying to send you one login Facebook thing, but it's not the right link. No problem. You can.
Okay.
It was an icon. Maybe
Yeah, this
we.
one I like this icon.
Yeah, they're neat. Yeah.
Yeah, this one is nice icon. Where is the image? Let's see. Okay, it's not image, it's SVG file.
Mm-hmm.
We will find out, not a problem. We'll take
Image
time.
has to be what extension? .jpeg or something like that. Is it PNG?
Yeah, that one, I was looking for that one, but
Mm-hmm. Okay.
we will find out. I will
Okay.
take and we will do that also.
Okay.
Let's give class name equal to all md file. Yes, I will put Facebook here, and then another one will be Google. Another one will be Twitter. GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will give these options to login. So the each image will come in its own row. The image, once we get image, I will put that image, or I can put all in one column and we will give the user to login. Let's put one more here. I will say one login to our web application. And below that I will put the images. Right now we'll concentrate more on the functionality rather than
Look and feel. Yeah.
can feel. We can take image, any image, put it there, whatever you like. You can replace it with the
Okay.
Facebook, put any image.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so if I get something, I'll put tomorrow next lecture. Otherwise, we will make a separate session for only changing the look and
Styling it.
lifestyle kind of thing.
But what if we want Facebook, Google, Twitter like horizontal? Right now it's vertical, right? One that also we'll do later.
Yeah, so
Okay.
if you like this one,
Oh yeah, that will.
then okay.
Yeah.
So this is my login page.
Hmm.
My page will not be more than this one.
Hmm.
It's only to make it and log into the particular application.
Hmm.
So using Firebase authentication because Firebase gives us the capability to log into the Facebook, Google, and all.
Mhm.
So in the Firebase, we have we have the ability to do that.
Hmm.
So I can go here and I can choose a sign-in method. I can give the Google, Facebook, Twitter, and GitHub.
Hmm.
Email password also, which I will right now avoid, but later on I will add it. This
Hmm.
phone one they added just now, so I haven't gone to the documentation of the phone one.
Mhm.
New thing they have added. So if I do something, we will add this also. But right now, I haven't gone to documentation on this part. But other
Okay, no problem. We'll do that. Yeah.
second one, I did not get time to go through it.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is my login page, and let's go to quickly put everything. Now let's go to the create new post.
Hmm.
I will put the new post. So then I have to create the form, and I will go to the this URL where I can find the forms, and then I will add
Mhm. Mhm.
the forms. I'll take one of the form as a sample.
Hmm.
Then first will be the title, what they are trying to
Hmm.
donate.
Hmm.
So maybe I can say title is okay, right? Text title, title, and this is a new post. So let's call this in the app.js
Hmm.
new post from post.js post. You can say only post. Post will go to the new post,
Hmm.
or I can say create. Okay, so some problem. So here in the form, I should have the ending tag for the each input box,
Yeah. Yeah.
and I should change the class to class name.
Main. Hmm.
Create.
Hmm.
Okay, so we have to wrap it under the class name equal to.
Container. Hmm.
This is the title. The
Hmm.
user will which food they want to donate. They can you remember I removed this for was there, but I removed this one. So generally for does not work in the React. We need to use for HTML in the React. So that I
Hmm.
will tell you better what I will
Okay.
put here. So
Hmm.
exact syntax I'll tell you, but it's a for
Hmm.
HTML if we want to use that.
Okay.
But
Okay.
now I have removed it.
Okay.
Second thing will be I will on description if you want to describe your thing.
Hmm.
This thing should be the required thing. I will put a star. Put optional. I will put the text area. Description. Entire description. Let's increase the rows. Rows will be 10,000 or 5. Okay.
Hmm.
So before this, uh, uh, before my description, I also want to add the autocomplete. That is the location of your product. So
Hmm.
before I will put the location as we did in our another projects,
Hmm.
nearby. So
Hmm.
I will say import autocomplete from React Google.
Okay. This
And
you would have also done npm.
I did, I think you
Okay. Yeah, yeah, I remember you did that. Hmm.
here it is npm
Yeah,
I.
install. Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So there is a one bug in this autocomplete which Google people have to fix it, but they are not fixing it. So we will be trying to fix it manually our side. So I will show you what is the bug and
Hmm.
how we will be fixing it. I will not fix
Hmm.
it today, but I will fix it
No problem. Hmm.
appropriate time comes.
Okay.
Autocomplete. So today we were going to only do the creating all the components
Mm-hmm.
as we can. Form control, and it will be we did same thing previously. It is on place selected
Hmm.
equal to here I have will create arrow function and it will get the place inside this I will put console.log of place for now
Hmm.
and then I will say type equal to but now it depends if you want to give exact location or you want to give the cities
Hmm.
if you want to give so what we did in our project we did we did let's take it okay we did
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That geocode or something city like, right? Oh,
right, right. I want to take exact syntax so
oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me find out as
yeah,
well.
I'll find out somebody.
Mm-hmm.
I have done in one of the projects. So yeah, some geocode. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the geocode. Otherwise, I would have gone to the Google website and would have find out what exactly they are.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's up to if exact syntax I don't keep in my mind. I just go there in their documentation and find exactly what they want to me to do.
Mm.
So I just geocode and close this tab.
Mm.
Let's see that. I'll show you what is the bug now.
Mm-hmm.
Which
Okay.
we okay, let's label also. Let's put inside the form group. And also location. Location is compulsory. That's why I give it a star.
Hmm.
Now let's say if I search something, for example, I click
Yeah.
on. Okay, so maybe it's not a bug here, but originally when I found out, it was refreshing the form. It was submitting the form.
Oh.
Right now, it's not doing it. Maybe it's in the React integrated. That's the reason, or there's some other reason. But it's not
Hmm.
doing. The bug is not
Here.
here.
So
It's
once you
bug
type your location, it will reload, is it? Refresh.
was generally reloading in my other projects, which were
Okay.
not but
Okay.
here it. I think they in React they might have fixed it, or we will see if it comes. We will fix it.
Okay.
So once I say San Jose, or I can say 1, 2, 3, San Thomas, Puno, Road. Okay. Yeah, see, it's refreshing actually. When I press enter, it's refreshing it.
Yeah.
San Jose, if I press enter, it's refreshing it. So it's not resolved actually.
Mm-hmm.
So we will fix it. I have fixed it somehow with my some JavaScript, custom
Okay.
JavaScript.
Okay.
Right now, I just
And this gray text that you see inside the text box, that's part of Bootstrap only.
this one.
Hmm.
This one is a part of not Bootstrap, normal HTML. When we say placeholder, so it
Oh,
is
okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, we've written that. Okay. Okay. Hmm.
so
Like we can change that text too. Hmm.
right. So now I can get exact geometry also, latitude, longitude, which we saw. So this latitude, longitude will be required to find the distance
Hmm.
from one place to another.
Right.
Okay, so this is all about this location. Then they can put description. We will also, no, we want a picture also of the food they want to donate kind of thing. So the picture can be done in two ways now.
And that can be optional, right? Upload a picture or
Yeah.
don't. Yeah.
So the picture will be kind of thing. One is kind of thing we need to have the URL of the image, something if
Hmm.
they of
Hmm.
image, or we
Hmm.
need to have the upload kind of functionality.
Right.
Okay, so depend on your server. If your server has lot of space, you can use this upload feature.
Hmm.
And Facebook, they have lot of big servers and all, so
Hmm.
they use that kind of thing. And we need the backend API to do that
Okay.
kind of upload.
Right.
Otherwise, we can ask the user to put the image or URL. They will, find a similar. Let's say they were donating um, Chinese food. They will take the image from the Google and they give the image URL. And in
Yeah.
that, we don't need the backend kind of thing.
Okay. Okay.
So in real world, I will only use the when if I go to real posting, I will use the URL image kind of thing. So I don't want people to put images on my server.
Hmm.
But for the upload feature, if you want to learn kind of thing for a learning purpose,
Yeah. Yeah.
I will show you this uh,
Okay.
where I will create my API because we need backend API. So
Which can enable us. Yeah.
I will build something PHP in the PHP, and
Hmm.
then I'll show you this feature how to do it. But then I will delete this part because in reality I don't want people to upload image on my server
What do you mean by my server?
because this will go live, and
Okay.
if they put upload fee upload,
Hmm.
then image has to be uploaded on my server, right?
Okay.
Because
Hmm.
if they put on my server, then only I will be able to save that image.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, 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 yeah.
and I don't want so many images to be on my server because
It'll take space. Yeah,
I don't have dedicated server kind of thing, and I don't have because it requires dedicated server
got it.
and it requires a lot of bandwidth. So I will not do it in my practical real world website. I will only allow this part.
Okay, okay. Yeah, images take up a lot of space as well. Yeah.
Right. So I don't want that, but as a demonstration, I will show you this also.
Okay.
But for that, I will build in some days, few days, I will build the API and then I'll show you how to do this.
Sure, sure, sure.
So right now we'll put image. Once my API is done, I will show you this feature.
Yeah. Okay.
And that API will be only temporary. Don't use it for
Yeah.
permanent website. It's only for the learning purpose. I will build that.
Just to see.
Now, okay. So this one is now I need the image URL, which is also optional. I'll copy this. I'll put this one. I will change this to uh, image URL. I will name it as, for example, image URL. Enter image URL.
Mm.
That's it. We will put the image. Right now, they have to go to the Google and get the image of the food they are donating and put it here. It will be not real food they are making it, but similarly, they are say giving the donation. That's the idea. So we have title, location, description. Let's make it this description.
Title, location, description.
What else we need?
Which URL?
Let me think.
This is the person who is donating, right? Yeah.
Right, right.
Like, what about the person's detail? Who's donating?
Right.
His detail will be in this
Uh,
page.
I don't need detail, but I need the email and phone number if you want to share.
Yes, name, email, phone number. Yeah.
I will take automatically when he logs in. I will have the name.
Hmm.
Or if you want to change, he can change the name. So we'll take the name, but we will pre-populate it with the whatever he has login, and then he can change. Maybe he don't want to disclose that name. He can change the name to other name.
Right, right, right.
The name, enter name. So initially when he log in, I have that name, so I will put that name here. But
Hmm.
I will allow him to update.
Mm-hmm.
Email, email will be whatever email I get, I will put that. Otherwise, I will
Hmm.
have
Hmm.
a phone number.
Oh, so you will do the autofill right now, right? Hmm.
Yeah, once he logs in, I may
Hmm.
have name and email, phone number. Generally, I don't get from
Yeah.
Facebook, so I will only give name and email. Whatever is coming from the social network site. Sometimes they don't share email also, so I will get it empty. So they have to
Hmm.
update it. Okay, so title, location, description, image URL, name, phone number, and submit. Or we can say, okay, in the top we will say H1 create new food donation post.
Hmm.
Okay, so create new food donation post, and then let's make this H3 a little bit small.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this one is fine. So I will put details, and when user will click submit, I will create the record, and then we will. So this same thing will go into the edit one because edit one also looks similar kind of thing.
Hmm.
Right now I'm creating I'm copying this, but the copying is not good idea.
Hmm.
I think if we have something reusable, you should use reusable.
Mm-hmm.
So right now I'm just copying it for temporary, but once I make it live, I will try to reuse it. I will not copy.
Copy.
Copying is not good.
Hmm.
Right now I'm doing it for just temporary purpose.
Okay.
I will create update part also.
Yeah. Edit. How are you doing form validation? Like how like some fields are required, right? You can't enter or
Yeah, I will
submit without some. That we'll do, right?
write a custom JavaScript to check field is empty or not.
Yeah.
If it is not empty, then I will do show you how. Means I'll
Yeah.
create a variable and I will update if it is having errors, and
Hmm.
then I'll show that error to the user.
Mm-hmm. No, so that is using JavaScript or Redux or React, or what will that use?
That will be simple JavaScript.
JavaScript. Okay. Okay.
And this edit part should have ID because I want to edit particular post. So
Hmm.
I will
Hmm.
create colon ID.
Hmm.
Colon ID means which post I want to edit it. So it should have some ID, and that ID I am editing it.
Hmm.
So if I want to go to edit one, okay, that's okay. We need to add the autocomplete in the edit. Now I will say edit
Hmm.
and pass the ID here. Let's say one. So pass one. That means I'm trying to edit one number ID. Okay, there is some problem.
Edit one. Yeah.
Let's see what is the problem. Okay, it should be dot slash. We should always use dot slash.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, no, sorry, it's not our file.
Oh yeah. It's in
Not our,
components. Sorry. Huh. React Google Complete. How?
why it's showing one
H closing tag for H3. Yeah, it's there.
HP chain.
Hmm.
Then also there is some problem. Why
What error?
error is not there. This is hashtag we need to remove from the
Hmm.
navigation. That I will remove.
Hmm.
But why we are getting
Yeah, why the look changed completely?
that means CSS is not updated or what? Let's okay. Bootstrap.min.css is giving a problem. So I will go to the index.html.
Hmm.
So let me say here dot slash. Let's see if this is creating a problem. Yeah, Bootstrap is not coming correctly
How do you know?
because
Okay.
Bootstrap should show the Bootstrap CSS. It's showing the HTML.
Hmm. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
It should show the okay. Let's put slash CSS. Then it will
Hmm.
work. Now
Hmm.
I'm getting it.
Hmm.
So here I will
Hmm.
put the absolute URL slash CSS.
Hmm.
Then it will work fine. But the looks were bad, so I thought CSS is the problem. So I
Yeah.
tried to check all CSS file, and file was showing HTML content, though it's saying CSS.
Yeah.
So I thought because we have addition URL, previously it was
Yeah.
only using the one level,
Huh.
so doesn't matter. It was giving correct results. But now
Yeah.
I added one level more,
So then
it
yeah.
was taking relative URL and it was giving the problem.
Sorry, what is edit/1? What is one stand for?
One slash stands for the uh, post which I want to edit. So tomorrow I have 10 posts, one for
Uh,
dal, one for roti, some let's say.
oh, okay, okay. So though there will be their different posts.
Each one
Yeah.
will be different posts. For example, so I will put numbering which one I want to edit it.
Okay, but we are changing the URL. Like, how do we land on that page from the home page?
So from the home page, we will be having list of all the. There will be my account page where I will see
Huh.
all my posts,
Huh.
and I will click edit button from there, and it
Okay.
will go to the URL like this.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, so we have edit and we have new and edit. Delete part I will make later on when I will do it because I'm not clear now how will I build delete one. Let's make the list part where I will see, or my account page where I will see all my postings.
Mm-hmm.
So let's save it as my account.js, my account. Let's call this my account here in the app.js. And I'll say my account. Yes, now my account. So my account is there. Now I will put all the my listings here. It will come real one. Right now we don't have. We are just creating the templates. We don't have the real thing, but it will come soon when we will build it. Oh, and get how it will look like. So maybe I can go to components. I can use list group to show all like this. My one. I like one more media object. I will use like this example.
Okay. This is to show
All
the
my
items,
items.
food
Yes.
items. Yeah.
Let's use this one.
So it has an image and some text. Okay.
Right. Let's do this one. With the media left to media middle. It's the media body. Let's see what is there. Okay, here is the media left only. Let's make media left. And then its reference. Let's change all to class name.
Class name. Image tag should be closed.
Right.
Hmm.
And then resource will come media body, media heading, and here I want to heading, and let's see how it's making the description. Media body, we have h4 tag, and then we have the content. Let's put this content here after h4 tag. Let's miss anything. Okay, let's copy. So I have to copy from media. Okay, I don't have image right now. Let's take some image from the Google just for now. Maybe I can take the image of biryani. Okay, let's put image and see. Sometimes the image size was big, so fix that one. Also,
My account.
it's becoming so big. I don't want so big image. I will make it.
Yeah. Smaller.
So let's make the class the name. I will like class. Let's try one image country. uh, uh, okay, it's not working. Let's do it.
Hmm.
I will try to manipulate it different way. Generally, responsive work. Generally,
Okay.
the
So
work
what will responsive do? It will just scale it.
scale it to the size of the div, but
Hmm.
since we don't have any particular size for this, that's the reason it's not working for media because
Hmm.
media has its own. It does not put the fixed size.
Hmm.
So let's make this max width of 100 pixel. Okay, let's take different image. I don't like this one. Is half.
Hmm.
Don't like the half image. Let's take different one. This one is one.
Yes. Yeah. Hmm.
Left one we will take granite. Okay, second we will take this noodles.
Hmm.
We will take maybe ice cream.
Yeah. Hmm.
Now what we have to do, we have to make max width of whatever we feel is good.
Hmm.
Like I did max width of 100. So we
Hmm.
will put in the class. So let's create one CSS.
Hmm. For each image. Yeah.
So for CSS, I will create one file called as style.css, which I will call everywhere. This is my custom style sheet.
It's under components? No, right?
Yes, inside the oh, I can create a folder CSS. I can put that one. Fine. Okay, but it will be in the source only.
Hmm.
And put this here in the
Hmm.
and I will say my account dot my account h. I'll just give max width of
Hmm.
and I'll call this style sheet in my index.js so it will be available everywhere.
Hmm.
Import uh, CSS style.css and then I will put it inside my account.
Hmm.
We'll put the I will put the my account image.
Hmm.
So this is fine.
Hmm.
So right now I will show all my posts like this, and in the
Yeah.
end I will say let's make this in the p tag and see, or I will put it in the div tag and see.
Hmm.
In the div tag. So whatever I'm doing, similarly you can work in your admin. Most of the things will be same.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again,
Yeah.
you can.
Just that for admin, a lot of things are in the API. I just need to see and learn from you how to use the API to display it on the front end. So yeah.
Okay, so you have API, a lot of things in the API. So
Yeah, like I have a lot of documentations, we have a lot of APIs, but then we just need to use that and spit it out. on the front end. That I don't know. And some pages I need to build as well, like you're building, but most of it is API is already ready and documentation is already ready. Just like FAQs is already ready and all those static pages and some APIs are ready. So just use them.
Okay, so API, regarding API, we did the project of nearby. You can use same idea to display the API.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Otherwise,
Oh,
otherwise, instead of saving it in the Firebase,
yeah,
we can save everything in the database.
right.
We can get the API rather than Firebase. We will get the API to get the results.
Exactly. Yeah. Firebase I can't do because yeah, it's an internal company thing. So yeah.
So what we'll do, we will only do Firebase for authentication,
Hmm.
right? We can
Hmm.
build password also, but it's we will do only authentication for the Firebase.
Hmm.
And rest all we will do in the
Mhm.
database so
Yeah.
that we can get the data from that place.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I will add one more div tag here. That's what the benefit of it is, that we are building only the templates now.
Hmm.
Backend we will change to API or Firebase. It's
Mhm. Mhm.
I can edit or I can delete.
Mhm.
So this will be also a propose equal to only edit, and let's do same thing for the delete.
Yeah.
And this will be visible only to the
Donor.
this is
Hmm.
my own page because I'm deleting it, so it's will be
Yeah.
public. It's only this for public.
Yeah.
You see the post.
Mhm.
You know, okay, I have edit delete also. I will change the font also. This is too big. I don't like this font kind of thing.
Hmm.
Like, and here I will say H3 my created donation. Okay, so this one is my post kind of thing. I can edit it and can go to that page,
Mhm.
and I can delete it, and I'll go to delete page, and then I'll delete it.
Okay.
So this one
Cool.
is uh, this one is all about
But this will be in my home page
no, this
after I
one
log in.
home page will we are building it. We did not build it. This is
Okay.
something my account page,
Okay.
which will be home page will have search part, but this part will also be there kind of thing. But
Mhm.
we'll making that also. So let's see what is now remaining. So we're done with the login page. We're done with the no. This is pending. We did with the create post,
Hmm.
edit post, delete will be. We will work on that page. So let's go to the search part and the result part on the front page. That is the home
Hmm.
page.
Hmm.
So this is home page. This
Hmm.
home page will be divided into two parts, left and right.
Hmm.
Last name equal to container, div last name equal to row.
Hmm.
Always we create a container, row, and then column.
Hmm.
Last name,
Okay.
total
Continue.
column value where says 12. Since we are making two per
Splitting in two. Yeah. 6.
left one, I want small one that is 3,
Okay.
and right one we will put 9.
9. Hmm.
There I will select 3, search, put donation, and left new line. Same thing, we will do this here. Here will be search results.
Hmm.
Go to home page. Okay. So this will be the search part and this will be the results part.
Hmm.
Let's make now the form here. So I'll grab the form. Okay, I grab the form
Hmm.
and then I will say location and first will be the keyword.
Hmm.
Keyword, keyword, keyword,
Hmm.
and then the location is compulsory because without location we won't be able to find the nearby.
Hmm.
It will be whole world, so we need a location so that we can restrict the data to a limited area.
Hmm.
We need the location as a compulsory part.
Hmm.
Autocomplete is not defined. We need to add autocomplete. Let's make this as a search.
Hmm.
Let's make this as a primary, and I will also put form control.
Hmm.
It will take whole space.
Hmm.
This is my search page, and when I click search, I will get the results. Results will be nothing but similar to what we did here.
Right.
I will be making the component so that I should not repeat it.
Hmm.
Because if we are repeating, we are not using the real power of React or we are not doing correctly. So
Hmm.
right now, since we are building template, so I'm copying pasting, but in reality, I don't want to copy paste.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this will be the search result. Will come here like this.
Hmm.
And then in this page, we won't be doing the edit and delete one because that is only in the my account page.
Hmm.
I will be saying uh, chat uh, or send message,
Hmm.
or I can say send email, or I can say mm, maybe I can say call. Okay. So this will be if you have Skype, you click it, call. If I put tell and number, it will call it.
Hmm.
So it's only shown when you have given your phone number. This will be shown when you have given your email. And this
Email. Hmm.
messaging system, which we will build it.
Right.
So let's move. Okay, let's do this one. So you want to continue today or tomorrow? Now
Yeah, I think let's continue tomorrow.
or next day whenever you are free.
Yeah, yeah, I think this is enough for today.
Right. So I will be committing all the files.
Okay.
You can go through the files kind of thing.
Okay.
And
Tomorrow your class at 9, right? So we'll only be able to do afterwards.
yeah, tomorrow till 9 to 10 we have.
Okay.